Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install PyCharm on your Windows PC or laptop. This guide works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it's perfect for Python development, data science, and machine learning. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Chrome, but Brave, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PyCharm, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the PyCharm download page, make sure Windows is selected as your operating system. Click the Download button to get the PyCharm installer. Save the installer file to your PC. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the PyCharm installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to continue. The setup wizard will open. Click Next, choose your installation folder, then click Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your preferred installation options, and click Next. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few moments. Once it's done, click Finish to close the installer. Now open the Start menu, search for PyCharm, and launch it. When PyCharm opens for the first time, accept the user agreement and click Continue. You'll then be asked to activate PyCharm. If you have a license or subscription, click Activate PyCharm Pro and sign in. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using PyCharm for free. And that's it. PyCharm is now installed on your Windows PC or laptop, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.